the shore so free. Waves are dancing just for me. Golden sand beneath my feet. Ocean song, a rhythm sweet. Oh, the waves, they call my...
Okay, mag-hotel ba tayo without room tour? So, we are actually at the Hanan Resort and ito yung door. So, pagpasok sa door, ito agad bubungad sa'yo. Such a beautiful place. Dito, sa left ko, is yung towel, payong, and then mga gamit, lalagyan ng gamit. Upon check-in, bibigyan din nila kayo ng map. And then, on the right here, teka lang, sa right area, is a comfort room. Super nice. Nakapag-check-in agad ako. Ay, shucks. Guys, grabe, this feels so surreal. This is my first time. As in, this is my first time checking in alone in a hotel. 5-star hotel, grabe. Kahit di ako nagbayad, pero grabe. Anyways, ayan siya. And then, we have here, of course, the mirror. Hi! And then the toiletries right here. May blower tayo, comfort room. And then let's go to the bed. Mag-isa lang ako, pero binigyan nila ako ng, tada, this one is, I don't know. This one is a single bed. Then there's a double bed. And then everything is here. And then, pwede pa ako mag-work. Actually, hindi rin ako makaka-work kasi lilipat din ako ng room. But this is my room for the night. Yung ganda niya. And then guys, so cool. Kasi we have a balcony. I don't know how to open this one. Okay, pataas. Oh my gosh, I love that people. Super nice, super excited to eat. This girl is so happy! See you in a bit! Change bag lang tayo for a beach vibe. Then we're going to eat some good food. So let's try the restaurant. Ang init, so ako sa Sea Breeze. Doon na lang ako mag-dinner tonight. So today mag-Coral Reef lang tayo. Yan yung isa sa mga location nila here. So I'm gonna show you in my map. So, right now, dito tayo. Ang layo-layo na binagtas ko. And this is the hotel room. And this is where I wanna eat, sa Coral Cafe. Then this is for tonight sa Sea Breeze. Gusto ko yan siya kasi sea area. And then you can go to the beach na pala right here. So it's a beach area. Ito siya. So from my room, I can go to the beach later. Swimming. And then I can also go to the pool. Yeah. Then baka mag-set ako ng massage because I wanna go sa massage. Yun lang. See you in a bit. So try natin first ang Christina's, which is here. Super nice. I'm hungry. Sana baka sila kasi grabe naman yung lakad ko, diba? Kaya Day 2 ko. Day 1 nila. Hello.
Hi! Day 1 namin. Day 1 namin.
Pwesto.
Fixed. That's why they cannot move their eyeballs. And because of this, they can rotate their head.
Grabe naman yan. Kalagkita na yan, no? Grabe yung basang-basa ka. Di ba turista, pero grabe yung pagkabasa. Tindi.
Ano ba tayo iba? Tingin pa tayo.
Hi, Pa! Say hi! Papa ko. Mama!
kayo,
So, dito tayo sa boat manifest here at Lobok River Cruise. And kami ay magku-cruise sa river nila and kakain ng buffet. So, sa boat number 7. Ito siya. And cute naman. Nice man, oh. So, you just have to go down. Thank you. Alright. Hi! Hi! Nagtitinga siya. Nagtitinga.
Thank you, Olivet and Arya, sa pag-trip. Close up naman.
Talaga naman, oh. Unleashing the artista in you, oh. Oh, talaga na. Ayan na. Ibigin mo kahit maputi na ang bumugo.
Ayun! Ayun! Nakikiswim talaga sila sa atin. Ah! Kuhanan ko!
Okay, kagagaling lang namin sa aming boat tour. Today is Monday, 12 pa lang. So, meron pa akong 3 hours before work. And magsiswimming muna ako kasi nabitin ako ng swimming. But, we're getting our emotional Kindle. Gamit yan ng parents ko. Huwag niyong pansinin, ito yung gamit ko. And then, of course, punta lang ako sa pool. Kasi, tinry ko mag-poop, di ako naka-poop. Anyways, here's my outfit and here's my cover up. Ah, diba? Super nice. Ayan. And then, kunin ko lang yung toy. Ayan. Kunin ko lang yan. Ito yung toy ng pamangkin ko. Then, of course, our key card. And let's go to the pool. So, punta yung elevator. Baba tayo. Tada!
Door closed. Elevator is going.
Gamit ko for affiliate.
Working girlies!
Bakasyon pero still working.
May suha pa siyang dalaga.
May dala ako suha.
Kasi kape.
Wala pa akong suha. Sa Henan. Alona.
Working vacation siya. Grabe, ang buhok. Hello! So, working vacation tayo. Diba? Hulaan mo, favorite color ko, pink.
Sa may malapit sa
Affiliate siya.
beach.
Ano pa akong suklay?
Ako ng content doon.
Literal na beach hair. Vlog din siya para sa YouTube. Friends kaming YouTuber. Go, go. Ah, so gotta go.
So, doon, hindi talaga kami mag-swimming guys. So, ito lang yung gamit ko. Meron din naman ako ng mga meron din naman ako mga sunscreen na ano, matataas talaga. Pero dahil
Hey guys, working tayo ngayon. Apaka-awkward ng sitwasyon, ng position, but we are working. Ito ang laptop natin. Actually, minanifest ko to talaga guys kasi meron ako sa vision board ko na working. Ay, yan siya. Tapos, ang cute kasi tingnan mo. May mga kabana din naman. Though walang mga nipa hut. Pero yung harap kasi nung room namin, may nipa. I'm gonna show you my working setup. So, dito sa beach, kumuha lang ako ng random table. Ito siya. So, may random table dito. And this one is a couch. A circle couch. Then, of course, I have my laptop here. Very unstable internet, but that's okay. We are on a vacation. We are working remotely. Actually, not vacation. We are working remotely and unstable internet is okay lang. We can work on that. But, ito yung aking laptop bag. Sobrang cute niya. Kasha ang 15 each, which is my working laptop. Then, meron lang ako ditong keycard ng hotel. And then, charger ng laptop. Actually, yun lang talaga. And I have here my emotionally support Kindle. I'm reading databases. Of course, my phone. And my watch. Minubad ko siya para hindi mag-target. And then, kasama ko yung ate ko. So, nag-affiliate lang siya somewhere dyan. Pero nasa kanya yung sunscreen namin. And meron pala kaming suha ng Davao. So, this one is golden fruit. Actually, lipat din kami kasi medyo walang internet. Medyo unstable yung internet. Hindi nag-load. Kanina nag-load siya. Ewan ko ngayon, ba't di siya nag-load. Pero baka lilipat kami sa loob for a better internet. Tapos sa loob kasi, pwede na kami order ng food tsaka mag-coffee.